We all know highway driving can feel like a chore, especially in traffic or on long trips. Ford BlueCruise helps take the stress off highway driving, allows you to connect with your passengers, arrive more energized, and enjoy the scenery. Before using BlueCruise, it's important to ensure that it is set up properly. To set up BlueCruise is simple. Select the settings icon at the top of the center stack, tap on driver assistance, make sure that adaptive cruise control is turned on, and turn on lane centering with hands-free and activation prompts. Let's go. To activate BlueCruise, it's easy. Make sure the lane keeping system is set to on and press the adaptive cruise control button to accept the prompt. And away you go. Ford BlueCruise's hands-free highway driving builds on existing technologies like adaptive cruise control and lane centering. BlueCruise is a driver assist feature that cannot predict or determine every driving scenario, so the driver should be prepared to take control of the vehicle at any time. Ford BlueCruise operates on 97% of controlled access highways here in the United States. These areas are called blue zones. These blue zones make up over 130,000 miles of highway in North America. If you're on a controlled access highway, chances are it's a blue zone. This year, BlueCruise was rated #1 out of 12 active driver assistance systems that was tested. Check out how cool it is to be hands-free, enjoy the scenery, eyes on the road. It's pretty obvious why that is one of the coolest new available features Ford has to offer. You have to come try it for yourself. Thanks for watching.